Hey, Tool Views, welcome back. Today I've got a little boat, nothing special. We did a little bit on the top side, a little bit on the hull, but I focused primarily on this back section. As you can see, it's been heavily neglected. Lots of oxidation, lots of dryness. In fact, the only part where there is a reflection is sections of this that have been covered or at least angled down away from the sun. So what I'm going to do today is tackle this with a little bit of Super Duty, a little bit of Heavy Cut, and a little bit of Perfected EXAC. And I'm going to do that with a wool pad. And then I'm going to follow that up with a little bit of Perfected EXAC on a foam pad. And after that, I'm going to wax it. So let's get into this. Here are the buffers that I was using. There's the finishing buffer, and there's the cutting buffer with a wool pad, double-sided. And here's Perfected EXAC. Here's Perfected Heavy Cut and Super Duty by 3M. And this is the result of Super Duty, Heavy Cut, and a little bit of Perfected EXAC on a wool pad. Next, once I get the entire thing done, I'll come back over with a foam pad, clear out all the whip marks and the swirls and the scratches and everything that I left in there with the wool. Hopefully it should look pretty good. So let's get into that. And hey, what do you know? It looks pretty good. So again, this wasn't all that long. It didn't take special tools or any crazy sort of technique. It's just using your buffer, using the compounds the way they're supposed to be used, making sure to get all your edges and then get the nice flat finish when you're done. So that's what I did. The very next step is to go ahead and wax this. Now we've got the rest of the top side to do and I've still got the sides of the hull to do. So let me go ahead and wax and buff all that off. I'll probably put some wax on and let it sit on this back section for a little bit. So here we are. I've taken the wax off of the remainder of the boat, top and bottom of the hull. I'm just about to take the wax off of this. And if you're wondering why I get this pattern, it's how I apply the wax. And I'm not going to go into that. It's kind of a little thing that I do and nobody else seems to like it, but I really like it. So this is the result. And we put the swim step back on, hit that with a little bit of compound, and I'm really happy with this. And all I'm doing here is just showing you. If you got black, it doesn't take all day. Hit it with a little compound and have some fun. Thanks.